Popular Tesla Model X wheel spacers can always fit your SUV without hurting ride quality. Good quality wheel spacers and correct fitment are the highest priority to ensure driving safety. People think that wheel spacers affect driving range because of the added weight. Actually, wheel spacers don't reduce the driving range at all. Pushing the wheels out a bit won't disrupt the airflow. Hence, there will be a negligible effect on the battery consumption. If you just add Tesla Model X wheel spacers, there should be no difference before and after. When shopping for wheel spacers, the higher the precision, the better the surface quality, and the better the Tesla Model X wheel spacers can fit on the vehicle hub. There is less chance of vibration or wobbling. BONOSS Tesla Model X wheel spacers are CNC machined. Precision at 0.02mm tolerance. This improves the heat and functionality of spacers. BONOSS Tesla wheel spacers' high precision makes the spacers fit the hub better, flush to the fender. This is helpful in avoiding high-speed wheel vibration.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!